Mrs. Murthy, I was seeing an interview with Chimamanda Adichie, and she said that to create anything of value, you have to have both self-belief and self-doubt. Does Sudha Murthy have self-doubt at this stage in her life, and how does she alleviate that?
Yeah, I have doubt in many areas. For example, even with all this, I must have sold 50, 60 lakhs books, or maybe 70 lakhs. If I add all vernacular, 70 lakhs or 7 million books now. By this time, Penguin alone has done 34 books, 34 books in 22 years, and my minimum will be, Vijay will tell here. When I said, tell me my minimum sales, he said, ma'am, or up to this date, it will be more than 1 lakh of each book, With all these things, I will have doubt. Because I should not become like one of those, typewriter, like this type, this genre, only this much. And this only, the moment they see this, oh, this is Sudha Murthy. That is my doubt, it should not happen. For that I work hard. It should not be identical. It should not be monotonous. It should not be boring. And it should not fall in a way, oh, this is hers. Moral science class, I don't want that way. So when I wrote mythology books, I was telling Sohini, I want only 1,000 copies. She said, what are you telling? I said, only 1,000 print run. She said, no, minimum 40,000. I said, no, you will get into loss. She said, that's my doubt. When I start new thing, I said, don't go more than 10,000 at least. Now I agree with them. They have more confidence than I have in that book. They said, no. So that worries me, that I should not be called a particular way. And I'm also aware that every book has a shelf life. Every author has a shelf life. Today I may be very popular, but this is not forever. Like you are from film, you know that. Everybody has a certain era, So I'm aware of that. And I always say, okay, when my era is ending, before that I should do whatever I feel the best.
You've been here for 44 years, clearly. I mean, your era is going to end when there's a black hole in the universe coming close to Earth. So
44 years means first 20, up to 2002, I wrote only in Kannada. 22 years I wrote only in Kannada. Next 22 years I wrote only in English. It is very funny. When I wrote in English, I realized that my base has increased so much that my books are translated in every language, including Italian and all. I have 23 languages for 46 books. That makes 300 titles. So, when you write in English, I realize your base is larger, translation is easier. I don't know how long I'll be able to write, because creativity is also connected with age at times, or experience. I have enough, but age also, and the ideas should be different, you should be new, and you should connect to the next generation. All those things are there. It is not easy. You know that. It is not easy to connect with the readers. So that's what is my doubt, that will I be able to connect to the next generation? Will they be able to, only 50 plus above people will read my book? Whether I'll be able to make an impact on the 10 plus able children or 20 plus, that's my doubt.
ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಬಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 292, ಜಿಯೋ ಟಿವಿ 1334, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53, ಇನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 896ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಸ್ತದ ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.